Is this Luna? Luna-loo! Oh, hello. Oh my goodness. Is this Lulu? Is this Lulu? Stanley. Because who the hell has we got in today? What other Spaniel is it? Not Matt. Rufus. I don't know. This is Louis. You know what I know?